What is a mathematical engine, and how can it help me in my business? Mathematics is everywhere. Often we do not realize it, though. The modern world runs on mathematics. It provides a way to make things work better and more efficiently. A mathematical model is an abstraction of a real-life scenario, system or event that uses mathematical language to describe and predict the behavior, dynamics and evolution of said scenario, system or event. The way of programming has not fundamentally changed since 1980s. And that includes programming of mathematical models. Programming mathematical models in source code is an essential part of software development. Whenever you start a new app in your company, you are faced with the eternal development dilemma of bridging the gap from design to implementation. Product management creates ideas for new, innovative products. Software designers define the architecture and the mathematical models in their own language. However, the implementation of the mathematical calculations and models in a programming language is very expensive and cumbersome. Unexpected results lead to unpredictable behavior and even system failures. This leads to long development times and ultimately to dissatisfied customers. A mathematical engine can help with this dilemma. A mathematical engine is a part of a computer program or a piece of computer hardware, referred to as engine, responsible for efficient processing of mathematical models. A mathematical engine supports the easy integration of models with easy-to-read and write text declarations in standard math notation and automated error handling. With clearly readable and maintainable algorithms in the source code, you gain fast maintenance and requalification. A mathematical engine provides a way to make things work better and more efficiently. You can develop new features faster, with better quality, and more fun in software, hardware, and in the cloud. That will not only make your programmers happy, but your customers too. Reduce the development process for devices that react to keywords with voice recognition. Reduce power consumption for devices that use cameras to identify objects or persons. Create local intelligence on independent systems with the low-code and no-code approach. Or you can set up your own mathematical engine in the cloud to offload battery-operated devices from battery-consuming calculations. Paceval. Create value fast.